We spoke and they listened. We have big news from Harvestright today because Harvestright is now offering a new oil filtration system, and today we're going to unbox it. I'm going to give you my thoughts and show you where you can get it. So I've said it before and I'll say it again, one of the reasons I love Harvestright so much, other than I love freeze drying, is that they listen to our problems. They try and find a solution, they try and constantly make their products better, and one of the things that has been lacking in the past has been the oil filtration. The old Harvey style filter just didn't really make the cut for me, so they listened and they actually made their own style of like the Brita style pitcher that I've been using for many years now, as well as lots of other people. And I'm just going to get right into opening this because this is something that I've been waiting for. I kind of heard through the grapevine that it was coming, and Harvestright was kind enough to send me one to basically to let all of you know that this is available now. They're shipping them with all of their new units. You can also purchase it on their website as an accessory, as well as the replacement filter packs. So let's uncover what this has to offer. And if you've never used or heard about the Brita style pitcher, you basically just take a Brita pitcher and you remove the filter out of it, and you kind of make your own with toilet paper and a coffee filter. And some people have modified that in their own way as well. This is Harvestright's own design, which is pretty cool. Imagine how much it costs Harvestright just to develop this, just to appease us freeze dryers, and just to make the freeze drying experience that much better. So Harvestright includes their own filter, the one that they made, and this, if you can see, has just kind of a micro screen in here that'll catch big chunks, and then I would imagine it's some sort of other filtration down in the bottom through here. And then the filter just has a rubber seal that goes all the way around. That sits down in this hole, and then you're going to pour your oil into there and let it sit. And then you have this cap, which is also extremely cool. It has a date marker on here. And I think that could be handy for a few different things. You could use it to just mark what time or what date you put it in the filtration system if you're going to leave the oil in. And then you could also use it for a reminder for the last time you changed your oil. And they include in here more oil information just as a reminder to keep that vacuum pump healthy. Obviously, good oil and clean oil is the best way to do that, so this is just one more step in that process. And I'm not here to be your mother, but I've seen a lot of repetitive posts on the Facebook group and the MeWe group of just things that could be covered, such as oil problems. If people would just read the instructions, the manuals, the information that's out there on your freeze dryer. It's an expensive investment. Just do yourself a favor and read as much as you can, inform yourself as much as you can. This also has some increment meters for how much oil you're putting in and how much you're left with after it's completely filtered. A nice little pour spout on this front too that'll close after it's done pouring, and then you also have kind of a check lid here, so you could actually put a funnel in here. This is also concave, so you could just drain right into here if you wanted to. And even though this is common knowledge to some people, I want to mention it because as long as we're talking oil, I want to just bring this up. If your freeze dryer was purchased before December of 2019, more than likely you have the bigger style hose coming from your vacuum pump, like this one. The newer style looks like this. If you hold them up side by side, you can see the difference. If you have that larger hose and you haven't purchased or gotten either the smaller hose or the insert for the larger hose, I would highly recommend that. That helps so much with condensation and water that will enter your oil. Harvestright will sell you one really inexpensive. It's basically just a plastic hose that squeezes inside the diameter of that hose, but it really helps with longevity of the oil. So definitely something to check out if you haven't haven't already. So really what you're looking for is oil that is transparent. You want to be able to see completely through it. When oil starts to get cloudy, milky looking, or if there's chunks and debris, discard that oil. It's not good anymore. It's not gonna save you any money, especially in the long run. It's gonna harm your vacuum pump. And you really want the best performance and longevity of your pump, obviously, as you can. But what happens when the filter in here is no longer usable? Maybe the filter's not working anymore and the oil can be filtered, just the filter isn't properly working. Well, they sell a replacement filter pack that comes in packs of 3. And I know the next question you're gonna ask is, how long do these filters last? And that's kind of the $1,000,000 question, because there's no right answer. It really just depends on what kind of food you're freeze drying. It depends on the type of oil you're using. It depends on your batches. It depends on so many things. There's really just not a good answer for that. But when time comes to replace it, you'll definitely be able to tell. I would anticipate, I mean, even with the cheap toilet paper filters that I used to use, I could get multiple cycles going through there to filter oil. So I would imagine something that was designed for that specific reason by Harvestright is going to get a lot more mileage than that even. Let's go try and filter some oil though, just so we can see the whole process. But first, take a minute to subscribe to our channel, Live Life Simple. We do freeze drying on this channel. If you have a freeze dryer and you're into freeze drying, or you're looking into freeze drying, that's what we do here. So go off to the side of the screen. You can click the little YouTube subscribe button, or the rocking chair will probably get you there too. And while you're there, click the thumbs up if you liked the video, if you found it helpful. It really helps the YouTube algorithm get these videos out to the people that want to see this type of video. And the 2 most important things that I'm going to tell you, join the Facebook group or the MeWe group, because it's a group of like-minded individuals that are into freeze drying, into homesteading, into prepping, things like that. And last, if you're considering buying a freeze dryer, or if you're just curious, or you want to buy this filter, please consider using our affiliate link down below. And this filter being available to us just as they're releasing it is the perfect reason why that affiliate link is important. It shows Harvestright where they need to put their efforts. It gives us a voice to Harvestright, and it also allows you, the freeze dryer, to see things as they're coming out or before they're coming out. But really good timing on Harvestright's part, because my oil in my Premier pump is ready to be changed. So really all you need to do, ideally this would be warm, but it's not. You just turn the valve, you let it flow into this reservoir, and this reservoir will hold all of the oil from the batch, because the process before it gets down to the bottom here, it does take a little bit. And then when you get to the end, I like to just tip mine forward a little bit just to get that last little bit out. That's usually where the nastiest part of the oil is. It's where the water likes to hang out, and the crud. And you can see that oil had some crud in there, so we're just gonna let this hang out. It's 11:45 right now, and we'll just put a time lapse on this, and we'll see how long it takes to filter this oil. So there you have it. We have clear oil ready for our next use now. In 5 hours is how long it took, and I'm pretty excited to get going with this. It's just one more thing to make freeze drying that much easier, streamline the process just a little bit more. And if you purchase a new freeze dryer, this is going to come with it. Otherwise, you can go to Harvestright's website and purchase one for yourself. Again, that affiliate link is down below. It really helps out our channel. And Harvestright, if you're listening, thanks for listening to us. Thanks for making this product for us. It really helps out the freeze drying community, and hopefully I can share more new things as they come out, if Harvestright will do me that pleasure. In the meantime, this is Retired at 40. Remember to live life simple, and we'll catch you next week.